Hello everyone, how you open console in Figma. First, what you're gonna do actually about to have some tips about to see here right now. Go press Control CMD plus Option Alt or Alt plus I. So I will start to give you here this uh, text as you can see. So you're gonna start to use this option as you can see. Okay, maybe I'm gonna start to have it wider a little bit and start to resize this. Okay, here we are. Now you're gonna see this one is actually like this. CMD Alt I, okay, or Control Alt I, Control Alt I, okay. CMD, okay. That doesn't even work over there. Or Control Alt L maybe. So we can start to open the console, which is really div tools, because I don't have div mode, because if you see here the div mode is really needed to be upgraded to check errors or things when you log in with that